So it is Monday today and I'm just out. I'm going to run to the post office, so I thought I'd show you my outfit while I'm out. I wear this jacket all the time, and then I got this skirt. I got this skirt then at the market I did over the weekend. I didn't sell in the market, but yeah, it's this beautiful wool skirt. I think I've shown you my loafers before that I just upcycled. Then I have some socks on. Yeah, anyway, this is the skirt that I got. And then I have on this big Carhartt bag. Yeah, so that is my outfit for today. So welcome back to another Outfits of the Week. This is everything I was wearing in June. Yeah, if you think you might enjoy this content, please keep watching. And if you do, it would be great if you could subscribe, give me a like and leave me a comment. And it's great to hear that so many of you are really enjoying these vlogs. So I will keep going. Cool, let's get back to the video. Good morning, it is Tuesday today, and I thought I'd show you my outfit while I'm out. Kind of a little bit colder today, but bit of a summery outfit on. But anyway, I will show you now. So skirt, I thrifted a while ago. I don't know if I showed you that before. This little top is so cute, and it's really old Primark. It's so nice. It reminds me of like Molly Goddard. This bomber I wore a lot last year, but it's a vintage one, but my friend's shop kind of added this embroidery. It's so cool. I have some sheer tights on, and I have these socks that I got at the market. They're so cute, and these shoes are ASOS. I wear them all the time. Yeah, weather is not great today. I think it's probably going to rain in a while, so I thought I'd run out and get my outfit photo first. But yeah, just a day in the studio today. I'm also just going to leave my Instagram and TikTok handle here. So if you're interested in kind of this kind of content, I use Instagram and TikTok more daily, I suppose. So yeah, follow me there if you are interested. Today is a fun day. It's my birthday this weekend. It's Friday today, and I'm taking today off, and I'm going to go into town with my boyfriend. We're going to get some lunch and go look in some charity shops. I had big plans for this weekend, but then I didn't plan properly, so time just kind of went, and I'm running around. My hair is still wet. That's why it looks like that. But yeah, I thought I'd show you what I'm wearing for the day. So ASOS glasses. Then we have this skirt that is from a collection I did maybe 2 years ago. I kept this one. It's like upcycled. The shirt, I think I've shown you before. I thrifted that in Geneva years ago. I love it so much. And I have on this camo jacket, this bomber that you see me wear all the time. And then I have on my ASOS shoes and some socks. And that is my outfit for today. Yeah, so the plan today anyway is just to kind of have a nice chill day. And if it is exciting enough, I'll take you along and then we'll have a video. If not, I might just throw this in with part of the outfits of the week. So we'll see how we get on. Yeah, but let's go. Okay, I'm just in town now, and I thought I'd show you my outfit just in case I don't get another chance just without the jacket on. I actually ended up catching my skirt in my bike in the way in, so I'm hoping some of the oil can I washed it, but that's fine. I'm like, for a marshmallow cookie and a latte. Try some?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Oh, for you, Mr. Tickle. Oh, two, Mr. Tickle. Hey, is there one more? Michael, them here all these guys.
Okay, so not getting any of these. But gonna get this one. Yeah. So always good to try on to know what is gonna work. So cute for making stuff for the studio.
I mean, you could probably just get one of these tables, I know. We could all sit around.
It's the next day. It is my birthday today. I've just gotten ready and we're gonna head out. We had drinks last night with friends, which was so lovely. And today I'm gonna go meet my mum and have some lunch and maybe a drink. And the weather's so nice, which is amazing because it's been like thunderstorms this weekend as well. Which, I don't know, it made it really unpredictable to plan something nice. But I thought I'd show you what I'm wearing before I head out. Okay, so I have my little bow in my hair that I got when I was away in Vegas. It's from Forever 21. I can leave it linked below if it's still available. The dress, which is kind of bridal, but you know what, I never wear it and I'm gonna wear it today. And this dress is from a brand called, it used to be called, what was it? It was called like AV, and they're now like a really kind of like they show at Fashion Week brand, but they used to be kind of a smaller brand, and then they changed creative director, and this version of it is called Agency V. I don't even know if they still exist, but anyway, that's where I got that and I love it so much. It's like a cloud. It's got lovely like puffy sleeves and a smocked front. Then I have on, my jewellery is all Betty and Biddy, which they kindly sent me, and I love it so much. Makeup. I should have filmed my makeup, but I did it using that palette I got when I was away. And then I have some glitter on, of course. Nails. And all these old rings. I just got this nail varnish the other day. It's really good. Just got this nail varnish the other day. Actually, when we were out yesterday and we were going for drinks with our friends, I had taken off my nail varnish and I meant to paint my nails and I forgot. So I had to get nail varnish on the way because my nails looked so bad. So yeah, I got this one and it's by My Mood and it's vegan, which is great. And I have, I think, 3 coats on. They dry quite well, so happy enough with that. And then I have on Crocs, which are so fun. So I have them on today. I don't actually own any Crocs, so these are my first pair. Actually, let me sit up here. So they're really fun. And then I have on some leopard print cycle shorts under the dress. Sunglasses, I'm thinking these. They're like fake Loewe glasses. I love them. And then I think I'll bring out this bag, which you've seen loads of times. It's like I got this secondhand Miu Miu bag. And then the strap is actually by Marc Jacobs. It came with another bag that I got. I got it on sale maybe 2 Christmases ago. I just loved the studded belt. Very reminded me of my teenage years. And I use that on other bags. So I think that's what I plan to do. Yeah, so that is going to be my outfit for today. I'll bring my camera with me and see if I film anything. So I'm just heading out now and I'll try and show you my outfit out as well. I just put on a vest too. So it's a little, well, it's not chilly, but I always like to have an extra layer just in case. This is my outfit. I already feel way too warm.